Hello students, as I have explained you in my previous video what is the definition of quadratic equation. Now in this video what I am going to explain you or teach you is, so let us start with exercise problem from your chapter 10. So first exercise in your chapter quadratic equation is exercise 10.1 and the heading here is check whether the following equations are quadratic equation. Check means I must check whether it is quadratic equation or it is not a quadratic equation. So let us solve two problems here in order to clearly understand quadratic equation. Now in my previous video, what is the definition of quadratic equation? Any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called as quadratic equation. This we already learned in my previous video. Now let us solve first problem of your exercise 10.1. The question here is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So I need to check whether this equation can be reduced to in this form. Fine. So let me try solving this. What will be my first step? Now this is of the form a plus b whole square, right? So what is the formula for a plus b whole square? It is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Fine. So in simple steps, let us apply the formula here. It is a square, that is x square, plus b square, that is 1 square, plus 2 into a into b. Here a is nothing but x, b is nothing but 1. Am I clear? So let us solve further. So this is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to. Now let us move on to the right hand side. Right hand side what I have? 2 into x minus 3. So multiply this 2 with x now. So 2 into x is 2x. Then 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Is it fine? I hope you are very clear till this step. Now next step is simplification. That is x square plus 1 square is nothing but 1 plus 2 into 1 into x is 2x is equal to 2x minus 6. Fine. Now carefully observe, I have same terms on both the sides of equation. That is the left hand side of the equation also I have 2x, as well as the right hand side of the equation I have 2x. So can I cancel this directly from your simple mathematics? 100% right? So what am I left out with? I am left out with x square plus 1 is equal to minus 6. Fine. Now just shift this minus 6 term towards the left hand side. I will be getting x square plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Is it fine? Similarly, next step will be x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Now this is my final step. Fine. Now is this a quadratic equation? So any equation, in order to justify that as a quadratic equation, I must be clear that it should be of this form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So let us check the answer what I got is of this form. So from here it is ax square. So what is a here? A is 1, bx. I don't have bx here. Fine. So b is 0. Similarly, what is c here? C is equal to 7. And be careful here, the highest degree of your x should be 2. It cannot exceed 2 or it can neither decrease to 1. So from this 100% I can prove that the first problem is a given quadratic equation. Very good. Am I clear now? Now let us move on to the second problem. That is, the question here is x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Same as I have proceeded here. Let me proceed here with simplification. Fine. So here it is. First let us solve right hand side. right hand side I think there is nothing to solve, so keep that step as it is. That is x square minus 2x is equal to, now multiply this minus 2 with both the terms, that is minus 2 with 3 as well as minus 2 with minus x. Fine. So this is minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, then minus into minus is plus 2 into x is 2x. Is it fine, students? So after this I will be remaining with simplification, that is x square minus 2x. Try sending this entire expression towards the left hand side, that is plus x minus 2x is equal to 0. I think you are clear till this step. Now within 2 steps I can get you the answer here, that is x square, write down as it is, minus 2x is minus 4x. So I can write this as minus 4x. I am left out with plus 6 is equal to 0. Now in order to check whether this is a quadratic equation, what will be my next step? Just compare the general form of quadratic equation with the answer what I have got. Fine. Now compare this and this. What is the value of a here? A is 1, b is minus 4 and c is 6. So therefore 100% the answer what I have got is quadratic equation. Fine. So from your exercise 10.1, first 2 problems are 100% quadratic equation. Fine, students. Thank you. Yes, moving ahead, let us try solving problem number 3 and problem number 4 from exercise 10.1 of the chapter quadratic equation. Fine. So let me first read out what is the question here. The question here is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Fine. Now I need to check whether this given problem is quadratic equation or not. So let me try solving this. First, what I need to do, I need to multiply this x with this entire term and this minus 2 with this entire term. Fine. So x into x plus 1, then minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to, same thing you have to do on right hand side. Fine. So x into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3. Is it fine? Now next step is simplification. Just multiply this x inside, that is x into x is x square, x into 1 is x, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 is equal to, here also same thing, x into x is x square, 3 into x is 3x, minus 1 into x is minus x, plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. I hope you are clear till this step. Next step is, see, carefully observe from the left hand side as well as the right hand side. Now I have x over x square over here as well as x square over here. So since I have the like terms on both the sides of the equation and the coefficients is also same, I can directly cancel this x square and x square. Now I am left out with x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 3x minus x minus 3. Is it fine? Then x minus 2x is minus x. What is 1 minus 2? It is minus 1, right? Similarly, it is x minus 2x is minus x. Minus 2 is equal to, here I have 3x minus x. So 3x minus x is 2x minus 3. Fine. Now in order to simplify this further, let me bring whatever I have in the right hand side completely towards left hand side. Fine. So minus x minus 2, this 2x if I shift towards the left hand side of this equal to sign, I'll get this as minus 2x. Similarly, if I shift this minus 3 towards the left hand side, I'll be getting plus 3 is equal to 0. Fine. Now minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. Similarly, minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. Now, can you tell me, is this a quadratic equation? Now, in order to tell this as quadratic equation, I must always compare the final answer with the general form of this, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Now, clearly from this and this, I can tell this is not a quadratic equation. Why? Because the highest degree of x, that is variable here, is not 2, it is just 1. Therefore, the final answer is the given equation is not a quadratic. The given equation here is not a quadratic equation. Fine. First two problems we got the answer as quadratic equation, but this problem the answer here is not quadratic equation. Fine. I hope you are clear with this. Let us move on to the next problem, that is problem number 4. So the question here is x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. Now how can I solve this? Apply the same principle what I have applied over there. Means multiply this x with this entire term and minus 3 with this entire term. Let us try this. So it is x into 2x plus 1 minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to, now carefully observe here, I just want to multiply this x inside, that is x into x, what I will get? X into x is x square plus x into 5 is 5x. Is it clear now? Now let us move forward. Multiply this x with this. X into this is 2x square plus 1 into x is x minus 3 into 2x is 6x minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 is equal to, right hand side keep it as it is, that is x square plus 5x. Now in order to simplify this, shift this entire expression towards the left hand side of this equation, that is 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3. If this plus x square, if it is shifted towards the left hand side, it will become minus x square. Similarly, this plus 5x, if I shift towards the left hand side, it will become minus 5x is equal to 0. Next step is just simplify the like terms and the variables of x over here. Fine. Now 2x square minus x square. What is 2x square minus x square? It is x square. Why? Because 2 minus 1 is 1. Similarly, 2x square minus x square is x square. Now I am left out with plus x minus 6x minus 5x. So minus 6x minus 5x is how much? It is minus 11x. Then minus 11x plus x is minus 10x. Then I am left out with numbers. What are the numbers I am left out with? I am left out with only minus 3. So minus 3, keep it as it is. So this is the final answer. Now can you tell me, is this a quadratic equation? Yes. Why? Because if I compare this with the general form, it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You can ask me what is a here. I think now you are very clear and you yourself can tell what is the value of a. A is nothing but, compare here and here, it is 1 and b here is minus 10 and c here is minus 3. Therefore, problem number 4 is 100% a quadratic equation. Thank you.